We had a hard freeze. And I had so much basil I couldn't get it all in the house. Strawberries did just fine. Looking out here at the garden, we'll see if we saved anything. Let's go take a look. The arugula and this kale are very cold hardy, and they're doing just fine. Let's take a look under this tub and see how the bok choy did. It's gorgeous. Now the problem that we have is the ground temperature is plenty warm, and underneath these totes we run the risk of cooking this if we don't open them up. It's just above freezing right now. The basil and these tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and pick as many tomatoes as I can, but the rain's starting to come again. It's 38 degrees. One last look at the garden before it turns. I didn't get them all picked. We got a good portion of them. You can see the dew on the inside of this tent. This morning here, it was frozen solid. Let's see what we got. Turmeric leaves worked really well to help hold the edges down. Our biggest issue is not cooking everything underneath these tarps. What do you think? Swiss chard did just fine. And even 39 degrees, we got flowers on this squash. You'll see, I'll cover this, but I don't think we have a chance at all. We got lettuce down here that's doing really well. This squash, yeah, little squash froze. That flower froze. That squash froze. That flower froze. We got some wonderful lettuce down in there, but that squash, I didn't think we had a chance. Let's take a look up underneath this other cold frame. Just look how beautiful that is. And all of this green, all of this green's daikon radishes. They're fine. But my okra trees, they're done. These beans, they're done. Those leaves will be gone by tomorrow. And check out this corn. Now we've covered our cold weather crops as best we can. The corn we're gonna lose. That squash is done. Check out this corn. I was hoping. Tonight's gonna be even colder, so it's gone. Yeah. Although my purple beans look like they made it. At least last night. Turnips are doing just fine. Radishes are doing just fine. Carrots. The carrots didn't even know it was cold. These carrots that we planted in the heat of the summer, that's beautiful. What do you think? Our October planting, our seedlings. We got beets. We got spinach, we got carrots. Gabby's just doing okay. We're doing just fine. We'll cover those back up tonight. It helped. We might actually be able to save this one. We just got to make it through tonight. And it's going to be much colder, but then it's going to be back up in the 60s and 70s. Of course, this okra, but I got radishes there that are doing okay. What do you think? Hay on a bucket. Look at that. That one made it. So far. We'll see. Cover that back up tonight. The things I knew we could save, they're doing okay. The things I knew we couldn't save, well, I know what I'll be doing the next couple days. Be cleaning up these trellises. But it's just adding to the mulch, adding to the life in the soil. Now, if you're covering, you got to watch out that you don't cook your stuff. So there's a little work in the garden, covering and uncovering, but that way you can eat fresh vegetables right up through the snow. It is amazing how fast the garden changes just overnight. But that gives us opportunities. Opportunities to get some winter crops in, to mulch in heavy, to expand the garden, to putter around a little bit. Plan for next year. And next year is coming, faster than you know. If you want to learn a little bit more about the deep mulch, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. If you want to learn about the living soil, click that link and I'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.